The EpiQuik DNMT Activity Inhibition ELISA Easy Kit provides a rapid and reliable way to measure the activity or inhibition of DNA methyltransferases in your samples. The assay with this kit directly detects enzyme-converted methylated products, giving you accurate DNMT activity results. The kit is compatible with nuclear protein extracts, as well as purified enzymes, allowing you to assess both in vitro and in vivo inhibitor effects. In the assay, a universal DNMT substrate is stably coated on microplate wells. Active DNMTs transfer a methyl group to the substrate from a methyl donor. The methylation, which is proportional to enzyme activity, is then recognized by an anti-5-methylcytosine antibody and measured colorimetrically using a standard plate reader. The kit includes all essential components needed to perform the assay. To begin, arrange the required number of well strips in the plate frame. Next, add working assay buffer to each well. The working buffer is prepared by adding Adamet to the assay buffer. Load the provided DNMT enzyme control in duplicate at 2 different volumes. This serves as the assay's positive control. Then, load your samples into duplicate wells in the same manner as the control, with or without inhibitors. Cover the plate and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius. During the last 10 minutes of incubation, prepare detection complex solution by diluting the capture antibody, followed by the signal indicator and enhancer solution, as described in the manual. When incubation is complete, aspirate and wash the wells. Add the detection complex solution to all wells. Then cover and incubate at room temperature. Following incubation, wash the wells again to remove unbound detection complex. Add developer solution and monitor as a blue color develops. When the desired intensity is reached, add stop solution. The color will change from blue to yellow, and the plate is ready for measurement. Read the absorbance at the recommended wavelength. Using the absorbance values, calculate the DNMT activity or inhibition in your samples. With the EpiQuik DNMT Activity Inhibition ELISA Easy Kit, you'll achieve fast, sensitive, and accurate measurement of DNA methyltransferase activity or inhibition. For more information, visit epigentech.com or contact your local distributor.